Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and I want to show you how fix the problem when your game not visible on your Google Play Store as in my situation. To fix it, in the first step we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store where we press on our photo on the right corner. Now we navigate to the settings. In it, family and parental control. Now we have PG3. To download game as Mobile Legends games, Call of Duty or something like that, we need more than PG3. To change it, we tap there. Now we must enter our connect pin to our parental control, and there we tap on PG16. Confirm by got it and save. Now we can go back to and try to search Mobile Legends game, and it is visible right now. We can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.